Bruh, we outside, man. You already know it's your boy Divine, your girl Jewel. We outside. We got into the airport just now, just checked in. It's lit. We about to go. Head out to Vegas.
We're going to Vegas,
Turn
baby.
up. You already know. Early birthday vibes. Thanks to Bay. You already know. I talk a lot. You already know. It's your boy Divine. It's alright. You already know. Y'all about to get the whole spiel. And we vlogging for y'all. Just a little quick little flex. You tell them what we do.
That's it.
You're on the plane, y'all. You're on the plane. You're on the plane. We about to be out and about. And yeah, this is good flights. You know, we about to sit down. We just got on the board, so you know what
On
it
the
is.
board.
We just got on board the plane, bro. Come on, bro. All right, you talk. As you touch down and baggage claim, man, you just time to spend money, man. As you come to touch down and baggage claim, it's already time to spend money in real life. In real life, it's the change lady right here to get changed. In real life.
We outside.
Waterfall. Yo, usually I'm in Caesar's Palace, guys. Let's talk about me being in the palace.
Rise and shine, buddy.
Good morning, guys. I'm gonna get some breakfast and yeah.
This is the lovely work of art. This is the elevator thingy onto the lobby. This is the elevator. It's nice and dark. Can't really see much, but
Thank you. I get some food. I'm going to school. Stay out of school. You don't know food. Good morning.
oh no.
I'm cracking it aside.
Oh no. It was on the 88th floor, guys.
Yo, this is Divine Entertainment. You heard me? Stay Jersey.
This is his restaurant, guys. He's fiending. But it's a casino in the hotel. And you get to play games and stuff. famous Ramsey. I don't even know what this is, honestly. But they got this thing. They really got some good stuff, though. See? Ramsey, Gordon Ramsay.
You have the Las Vegas sign down here.
The famous sign everybody take a picture of.
Yeah, the welcome to Vegas. I recommend, for that, I recommend getting up early in the morning and going and doing it.
Yo.
You know what's going on? You outside with it? Is it on?
Huh?
I can see it's practically on, right?
Must have had some ATVs. This dude feeling himself.
Like just like New York.
He about to mess up his feet.
These are messed up already. That's how about you. You know, long ahead. You're recording it.
So he's saying, we in a van.
You in Atlanta?
You in a van. So where'd you get that?
It's in here, bro. You in a van, but we outside. Yeah, you know, clown stuff. I'm always on my clown stuff.
Yo, guys.
Excuse
Doing
me,
ATVs
sorry.
out here.
I look dirty.
You should see his legs.
My legs look like tarantula legs. Not on the cat. But it's alright though. We having fun, man. It's a good group of us. We keeping up.
Yes.
Everybody's enjoying themselves.
It's my first time and I'm killing it.
We got a nice view. We can't wait to go home and take a shower.
For real. It's
But,
not,
yo.
you dirty, dirty.
I'm out here spreading that dirt. Crazy.
He said,
I'm
yeah.
representing for Flatbush.
How you got so dirty? What the heck?
Bro, I'm out here skidding out here. I'm in real life doing
Look
this.
at his
I'm real life out here.
bike, guys. A little crusty, but I was like, my helmet. You match my bike. What color is your bike?
Blue.
Blue and blue and too. We're in the middle of nowhere. Cheesecake Factory. I don't even know where they are. Oh, Stingray. I don't. Isn't that the place that we was at? Yeah, this is it. So I could have, yeah, I could have walked in. Alright, let's go. It's gambling time, baby. He got his cheesecake from the Cheesecake Factory. Are they sleeping? What is that? Are they sleeping?
What did he say?
I don't know. That's how they sleep, I think.
This is very pretty. That's how you sleep.
On one leg. Oh, we about to get some pizza. Hungry as hell. We've been walking all over the place.
Look at this dude.
Yeah. Yeah, nothing to do.
You talk to him. I talk a lot.
We do go.
I'm hungry, bro.
I'm hungry too. See y'all when the pizza comes.
You didn't order yet.
But still, see y'all when the pizza comes.